In this video, I will be using Microsoft Dynamics AX for Retail to create a new employee and assign roles and privileges for the POS system at the store. Retail staff members are extensions of AX employees, so to create a new staff member, I'll first navigate to the Human Resources area and create a new employee. The Employee ID field will be used as the user login at the POS system. In addition to setting up basic contact information, it's important to check the Retail option under Personal Details. This option identifies this employee as a retail staff member, and then this record will show up under Retail Headquarters, Setup, Store, Staff. And now here I can fill out the remaining information that's relevant to the retail system. For example, the name on the receipt is a short name that would be printed on the receipt printer after each transaction. I can also set which store number this employee is intended to work at. I'm using store 10, so I'll set that here. Each employee can also have their own POS layout. So POS layouts can be set per store, where all users will have the same layout at the POS terminal. It can be terminal based, so if I log in at one terminal in the store, I may get one layout, and if I log in at another terminal, I may get another layout. Or it can be user based. So here, if I'm creating a new manager, then I can set the manager layout ID, and now when this user logs in, they'll get that layout at the point of sale system. On the Privileges tab, you can use staff permission groups to set the base privileges and then overwrite that per user. So, for example, if I chose Cashier, it's going to populate this new staff member with the base settings from the Cashier group. And then I could go in and overwrite that and set different values for this particular member. In this case, I want to use the manager settings, in which case this user pretty much has all privileges, can do 100% discounts, and is allowed to do voids as well. So next I'll show how this data is replicated to the POS systems on the Retail Scheduler area. And looking at the scheduler jobs, there's the A-1060 staff job, and there's the N-1060 staff job. Now, an important thing to point out here is that if you use the N job, then it will send all staff members to all stations, all point of sale terminals. And this will mean that this staff member can log in anywhere. If you want the point of sale system to respect the store setting on the staff member, then it's important to use the A jobs, because the A jobs are location aware, and those staff members will only be replicated to those stores, to terminals at those stores. So I'm going to go ahead and send this new staff member down to point of sale. And now switching over into the point of sale, if I log in as the cashier user, 10001, password 456, you'll see that the layout here includes basic cashier functions. Switching to my new user, you'll see that this user has the manager button menu. And this will allow them to do additional tasks, mostly drawer tasks or end-of-day type tasks. In addition to having different layouts, the privileges can also determine what a cashier is able to do at the point of sale system. For example, if a discount was to be given, a manual discount, and I go into discounts, and I try to do a line discount here for 50%, that exceeds this user's privileges, and they're presented with an error message that it's above the discount limit. If I wanted to void a line item, here you're prompted for a different operator ID for a user that has privileges to do this operation. So here, if I log in with my new manager rights, you'll see that I'm able to void that line item.